quick video today, won't take very long. We're going to talk about the upgraded suspension that we put on the Road King. Because remember, we put the Premium Shocks on it off of a 2018 CVO Street Glide, which removed the air shocks altogether and added the adjustable shocks. And they are awesome compared to the way that it was. It takes the bumps better. Like before, when it took the bumps, they were a little bit harsh, right? A lot of bugs today. But now it's cushy, you know. It's like an old Cadillac sensation. When you hit the rear bumps, the rear shocks actually complement the front suspension now. And a buddy of mine that works at the local Harley dealer, he told me that you go off of half of what the manual says, and that's where to actually put them. So myself, I'm a bigger guy. I weigh a little bit more than average guys. I'm supposed to have it on 4 when I am solo, and 9 when Miss Stevie is with me. I believe that that's right. But he told me when I was solo, riding by myself, put it on 0, and I thought, man, you have looked at me, right? I mean, you do see me, don't you? I was like, I don't know if that's gonna work. But I have it on 0 right now, and it takes bumps really, really well. Now, if I had a tour pack on it, and I was all loaded down and 2 up with Miss Stevie, I think even then, I don't remember how many notches there are on it, but I think even then, I think 10's the highest it goes. So if I had a tour pack and I was all weighted down and riding 2 up with Miss Stevie, I think even then I'm only supposed to set it on like 3/4 of all the way up. It can handle a lot of weight. So many bugs, unbelievable. It feels good to be on a bike. But I will pick this up on my way home. Yes, you get in. That was fun. Always fun to see Stevie Todd. The premium suspension, number one, it's easier to adjust than the air suspension was. Number two, I don't have to carry a pump around anymore. Sure, I had to pay for it, but you know what? All that is worth it. The better ride, the easy adjustment, not having to carry that stupid Harley Davidson air pump around with me. I love it. I recommend it. I always thought to myself that the air shocks were fine. On my 06, my 06 Ultra, I never changed the suspension, man. Everybody see that lightning? I never changed the suspension because I thought, man, it's fine the way that it is. I don't understand why everybody's changing their suspension around. Now I get it. Because that would have been really nice, the 40,000 miles I put on that bike, to have had suspension like this. This is going to turn into a race the rain home, it looks like. And had to do that, that's like, oh man, I can smell the rain. Oh man. After having this suspension though, I'd be really curious to see what like Legend suspension is like, or Progressive suspension. I mean, these shocks aren't cheap if you buy them new. They're like in the $500 range. That's about where Progressive suspension is, and Legend suspension, I mean, you can spend anywhere from that up to $1,000. I'm sure that's the way it is with Progressive also. But you know, I mean, but I bought these shocks online, obviously, because somebody changed their shocks on their CVO Street Glide. So, I mean, well, one person was trying to get rid of because he wanted something better. I bought, and I can't say better things about it because it's so much better than what I had. But anyway, guys, that's my take on the suspension, the Harley Premium shocks. Everybody stay cool, and we will see you on the road, hopefully before the rain gets here.